Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum students. This is lecture number 6 and now we are turning to unit number 2 now. So here is the unit number 2, cellular organization of the plants and animals. We are starting this unit number 2. What is the name of unit number 2? Can you repeat again, student? The cellular organization of plants and the animals. The cellular organization of the plants and the animals. So come to the point first. What is cell? Can you see on the screen what is cell? So cell is the basic structural and the functional unit of life. Cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. Cell को हम हमारी बॉडी का बेसिक स्ट्रक्चरल और फंक्शनल यूनिट ऑफ द लाइफ भी बोलते हैं. हमारी लाइफ का जो बेसिक फंक्शनल यूनिट है वो क्या है? सेल. दैट इज सेल. In other words, you can say the smallest part of living things that can carry out life process. All the activities, all the life process that are performed by the cells. Our body and our plants and the humans both are made up of trillions of the cells. Plants and animals are made up of trillions of the cells, and cell is the smallest part of our body that carry out life activities. All life activities that we are performing, if we are walking, if we are seeing, and if we are touching someone, and if we are feeling something, that is all about the cell. Because cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. हमारी life की origination, जो हमारी body की origination है, that is started from the cells. That is started from the cell. You can see a wall. Wall is the made up of the bricks. आप देखिए bricks को कैसे सीरीज में रखा गया है. एक एक brick को सीरीज में रख के हम एक पूरी wall बनाते हैं. देखते हैं ना आप wall कैसे बनती है. तो ऐसे ही हमारी body के अंदर inside our body there is the building block of the cells. There is a building block of the cells. That building blocks are forming our body. As wall is made up of brick, our body is made up of cells. Inside our body there is different cells of our body. They are performing a function and different type of function inside our body. So here we have different type of functions of the cells and different type of the cells. Student, are you getting me? Cell is the basic unit of life. So different cells are on your screen. Number one is skin cells. Number one is skin cell. What is the function of skin cells? Cover the body and protect inner layer. Cover the body and protect inner layer. How it is covering the body and protecting inner layer? We have 3 layers of skin. हर चीज को covering layer होता है. अल्लाह सुब्हानहू व तआला ने हमारी स्किन जो है हमारी बॉडी के लिए कवरिंग लेयर बनाई है. क्या बनाई है? कवरिंग लेयर बनाई है. We have 3 layers of the skin. So skin cell cover the body and protect inner layers. How they are protecting inner layers? We have 3 layers of the skin. Number 1 is epidermis, number 2 is dermis, number 3 is hypodermis. Are you getting my point? What is the function of the skin cell? It protecting our inside body layers. It protecting inside our body layers. Now, number 2 is bone cells. Number 2 is bone cells. Produce bones to shape and support the body. हमारी body goes like without. Can you imagine? Without bones, how our body look like? We will look like a jelly and we will fall down. So the bone cells are produce bones to the shape and support the body. They are the supporting agent. They are supporting of the bones and the body. This is the function of bone cells. I am telling you about the different cells and their different functions. Are you getting my point? So come on the number 3. Bone cell. Number 3 was nerve cells. What? Nerve cell. What is the function of nerve cell? Conducting the message. Conduct of the message from the all body parts to the brain. ये ऐसे cells है जो different part of the body से हमें message conduct करते हैं to the brain. How they are conducting the message? Do you know if someone hits you on your face or hits you on your back, how you are feeling? Are you feeling pain? When you are feeling pain, how it is identified that which side of your body you are feeling pain? This is the function of nerve cells. This is the function of nerve cells. आपको किसी ने hit किया, आप pain कैसे feel कर रहे हो? We are feeling it from this side. Someone is hitting me. So जब आपने feel किया, तो how you are feeling? This is message conducted by the nerve cells. ये nerve cells होते हैं बच्चा लोग. ये जो nerve cells जो होते हैं ना, ये हमारे brain को message देते हैं कि ये फंक्शन हुआ, यानी कि someone is hitting me from the left side or the right side, from the all body parts. एक other example, आप गर्म चाय को टच कर लेते हैं. Can you touch the hot tea, hot cup of the tea? When you are touching and suddenly you are removing your hand and you are stay away from that cup. Why? Because there is a hot cup. Which type of message? This is the message of the brain is conducting by the nerve cells. These nerve cells are conducting the message from the all body parts. इनका क्या काम होता है? हमारी बॉडी की जो भी फंक्शनिंग होती है उसका मैसेज उठा के ब्रेन को पहुंचाना. So these are the nerve cells. Nerve cells क्या करते हैं? हमारी बॉडी को मैसेज कन्वे करते हैं. क्या करते हैं? हमारी बॉडी को मैसेज कन्वे. The number 4 is muscle cells. Number 4 is muscle cell. What is the function of muscle cells? Contract and bring about movement. Contract and bring about movement. हमारी मसल्स की जो contraction होती है, contraction होती है, जो movement होती है, उनमें help करते हैं. वो होते हैं हमारे पास muscle cells. I hope you are getting my point, students. So you will try to focus on the video and listen very carefully. Most important topic, as cell is the basic unit, as the topic is our very basic and most important for the human knowledge and for the life origination. The last one is red blood cells. The last one is red blood cell. Most important cell, also part of the blood cell. Red blood cell transport oxygen around the body. These are the working, the transportation of the oxygen. Do you know which gas we are inhaling? Which gas is inhaling we are? Oxygen. What? Oxygen. The function of red blood cells, they are transporting oxygen all around the body. हमारी बॉडी में जब ट्रांसपोर्टेशन होती है ना ऑक्सीजन की, वो किसके जरिए हम करते हैं? वो किसके जरिए होती है inside the body? With the help of red blood cell. The transportation of the oxygen that is performed by the red blood cell inside our body. These were the different cells and their different functions. These were different cells and different function. Some cells large enough to be seen with the naked eye and some are too small, we cannot see. Student जो cells होते हैं वो बिल्कुल कुछ ऐसे होते हैं जिनको हम देख सकते हैं, कुछ ऐसे होते हैं जिनको हम बिल्कुल नहीं देख सकते. Why? Because they are too small. Because they are too small. So how we can see them? Here in the side I have written one word, that is microscope. That is microscope. That cells that are too small, we can see them with the help of microscope. With the help of microscope. What is microscope? A device, an instrument that can be that we use to see the microscopic organisms, or in other words you can say a device which helps to see things or very small things such as amoeba, bacteria. ऐसी चीजें जो हम नेक्ड आई, ओपन आई के साथ नहीं देख सकते, that are too small, very small. So we are using a device that is microscope. With the help of microscope, we can see the smallest organisms, bacteria, virus, and also we can see the cells. This was the basic and the first lecture about the cell. I hope you are getting my knowledge. So you will see, watch again and again and listen very carefully all the video. And this is a very informational and I have given you a very useful information in this video about the cell. So student, try to listen and try to memorize also and wait for your next lecture. See you soon in your lecture number 7. Take care. Goodbye.